Star Bangladeshi all-rounder Shakib Al Hasan is among 156 people who've been accused in the murder of a garment worker in the violent protests that have engulfed Bangladesh over the past month. Sources have told Sportstar that in a case filed at the Adabur police station in Dhaka, the deceased Mohammad Rubel's father, Rafiqul Islam, has named several leaders and activists who belong to the former ruling party, the Awami League. Shakib is one of them. Others accused include former Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, actor Firdaus Ahmed, and a number of others. Shakib, who's currently playing for Bangladesh in Rawalpindi against Pakistan, is the number 28 accused in this FIR. According to a report in the Daily Star, the complainant alleged that some of the accused, as per instruction directly or indirectly from some others, opened fire while hundreds of students, including Rubel, were protesting at Ring Road in the Adabur area on August 5th. The FIR states that Rubel was wounded in the firing and died in a hospital after 2 days. The protests in Bangladesh started as peaceful demonstrations by students against the quota system within the government, but this soon turned violent. Throughout the duration of these protests, though, Shakib was not in Bangladesh. Shakib was in Canada at the time, leading Bangla Tigers Mississauga in the Global T20 Canada League. This ended on August 9th. Prior to this, Shakib was in the USA participating in Major League Cricket until mid-July before heading to Canada. As far as international duties go, Shakib's inclusion in the squad that was to travel to Pakistan itself was heavily criticized given his silence during the violent protests and the eventual ouster of the ruling party and Sheikh Hasina. He should have come home first and given an explanation as to why he was silent, Bangladesh Cricket Board member Rafiqul Islam told AFP recently. The interim government which has been set in place in Bangladesh cleared Shakib's participation in this two-test series. In January this year, Shakib won an uncontested election to become a member of parliament for the ruling Awami League party from his hometown of Magura. This happened because the opposition parties boycotted that election. His term in parliament was cut short by widespread student protests which turned violent, eventually ending in Sheikh Hasina fleeing the country and a new administration taking charge of the nation's running. This video is also available to watch in Bangla. Do check that out on the Sportstar website.